Oh, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Chris Life USA. For today's video guys, ay nandito na naman ulit tayo sa ating road trip 2025 series. Alright, and nandito na naman nga po tayo sa road at papunta po kami yan sa state of Utah. And we're going to stop by Salt Lake City, Utah, state of Utah. So marami po kami stay po kami dyan overnight sa Salt Lake City para i-tour ang Capitol grounds at saka ang ground ng Mormon Temple, Church of Latter-day Saints na tinatawag ng Mormon kasi dyan sa Utah ang kanilang headquarters. Dyan sa Salt Lake City ang kanilang headquarters. Kaya dyan tayo mag-explore sa video na ito guys. So salamat sa mga nanonood dyan. And mega love shout out sa Team Support Premier. Thank you so much guys. Alright, so ito ay ang video na ito ay on the way na kami dyan sa Utah. Galing kami sa Horseshoe Bend, Page, Arizona. So, ayan. Alright, thank you so much guys. Dyan lang kayo guys, and thank you so much for coming and joining me in this premiere video. Thank you so much. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, itong ating bundok ay nasa mataas na elevation na po kami, kaya hindi na siya masyadong, may mga trees na siya. Itong ating vegetation has more trees and grasses na siya. So hindi na siya katulad ng Arizona, state of Arizona na super disyerto talaga. So Utah, state of Utah is in higher elevation. Kaya yeah, let's check this out. State of Utah. So ipinapakita dito guys ay nasa loob na tayo ng convention center. And dito kumakanta yung mga choir nila. Mga Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Chris Life USA. So nandito tayo guys, ituturo ko kayo panandali ang tour dito sa Utah. We are in as you can see behind me guys, ayan as you can see behind me, gusto sana namin puntahan yan, Temple Center, kasi dito ang pinaka-headquarters. Dito talaga ang pinaka-headquarters ng LDS Church, the Latter-day Saints Church, or we call it the Mormonism na church. So they started here in Utah, state of Utah. So right now we are here in the building, on top of the building of the LDS what they call it, this is the visitor center and the convention center for the LDS. So nandito kami sa rooftop. Hindi ko na ipinakita yung sa baba dahil yun nga, andun sa baba yung yung center, yung convention center. So they held twice a year they held a convention here in this building, and Yung ipinakita ko sa inyo kanina na convention center, na convention place, ay yun ay it has 21,000 na seats. They can seat 21,000 people, and they have 5 sessions. So all in all, they have like 21,000 na delegates every year, twice a year. So yun. Yun, papakita ko sa inyo dito ang ang panoramic view dito sa taas ng convention center ng LDS. So ito guys, pinapakita ko sa inyo ngayon ay mayroon, ito yung pinaka temple. Ito yung temple. Ongoing construction ngayon. Ongoing construction. So yan. Pero hindi tayo pupunta siguro dyan dahil siya, ongoing construction. Ayan. Yan. Grabe, ang ganda dito sa taas. Ang ganda ng view. Ayan. I just left the bottle there, the water bottle. So just so you know. So what's in here? I've never been in there either.
Okay, I just want to build this one.
Oh, Church of Latter-day Saints Library. Okay. Dito naman tayo. Construction. Wow, look at the plants. Ayan guys, ayan. Babe, I want my picture. Come here. So Utah is a high city, kaya hindi ito katulad ng Arizona na mainit. So they can grow lots of beautiful plants here. And see? Wow! Ang ganda naman nito. Wow guys, ang ganda oh. Ano kaya to? Yan. Yan ang temple. Under construction ngayon, hindi tayo makakapasok. Pero look at the surroundings. Ang ganda oh. Ang ganda ng garden. Wow, Jen, look at this. Look at this beautiful. I want my picture here. Jen.
Yeah, okay.
Jen.
Yeah, I'll take a picture.
Here we go. This is the garden. Come on. They really take care of this garden. Then here is the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. This is their garden. So the whole area is 90% part of the Church of the Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Right? Correct. So what are those different flags?
I would imagine different nations.
Oh. My husband used to live here in Utah, so he can tell us something about Mormonism. What can you say about Mormonism, and what are the surroundings?
Well, Salt Lake City is the head of the Latter-day Saints Church. This is where all of their offices are, and their original temple. They have temples now throughout all the world in other places.
Yeah.
This is their headquarters for their hierarchy.
Oh, okay. The hierarchy.
The original temple is being under construction right now, or reconstruction. That's an 8-year process, apparently.
Wow.
This is the place that is four seasons. It has four seasons.
Yes.
They have winter, summer,
Spring,
fall, and spring.
Yeah,
That's when they have nice flowers.
the falls are beautiful. The changing leaves and the colors.
The changing colors of the leaves. Oh. So yun, ipinauliwanag sa atin ni Happy ang itong about sa Mormonism. At marami sila ditong mga missionary na from all over the place, all over the world. So kaya yan. Wow, ang ganda naman ng mga flowers na to dito, guys. Oh. Ayan, oh. Yan, dalawa na yan. At very persuasive sila, guys. Pag nag-start ka magtanong sa kanila, papaliwanag nila yung knowledge nila, tapos persuasive sila, gusto nilang umanib ka sa church nila. So yun, that's their main goal. But it's the way they convey their mission in life ay talagang gusto nila na marami talaga ang umanib sa church nila. At parang sa Iglesia ni Cristo din, guys, na lavish, na very fancy and very sila, yung gusto nila yung yung mga magagandang style na mga building, na mga so yan, dito talaga sa Utah sila nag-start yung headquarters, pinaka main headquarters nila. So yung mga flag na yon ay from different world na kasi ito ay worldwide talaga ito na church, the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Yan, office building, main building, main headquarters. Ayan. So, bumalik kami sa convention, guys, the building, kasi dyan kami kasi nag-park ng car. So, kinailangan namin pumasok ulit dyan sa loob ng convention. So, ayan, pinapakita ko sa inyo yung loob ng convention. Ang ganda-ganda talaga yan sa loob. Ang laki-laki, spacious talaga yung building na yan. So, ngayon naman, guys, ay nag-drive around naman kami sa downtown ng Salt Lake City para pakita doon sa dalawa naming friend ang Capitol Building at saka Capitol Grounds. at saka ang downtown. So kaya nag-drive kami dyan kasi paalis na rin talaga kami at papunta na kami sa aming next destination, kaya naisipan namin na mag-drive around muna dyan sa downtown. So yun. At ito na nga yung Capitol Building ng State of Utah na super ganda-ganda siya at nasa taas talaga siya nasa uphill talaga siya. O diba ang ganda? So, yun lang. See you next time.